Hello guys, this is me RGPH and today Delta is finally here. Yes, the original Delta has arrived. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go. So, let's try to showcase this script called Red Sea. It has farm tools, sword, melee, and fruit. It has UI skill, small, medium, and large. Out at the farm level, let's try. It's working. Hey guys, it's working at the Pirate Sea. But no Pirate Sea spawn at the farm bone. Let's try if it's working. Yeah guys, it's working guys. You can see at the farm chest, boost, stone, longma, and elephant. The only spawn boost. Auto farm materials. All materials entered is here. Auto farm mastery. You can choose what skill you want to use in auto farm mastery. It leads off this auto farm bone. Auto sea event. Kitsune Island is not spawn. Auto farm sea. Like fish, sea bees, hero shark, piranha, and more. You can also select what sea level you want. 5, level 5, level 4, or level 6 for infinite. You can teleport any NPCs in Tiki Island. B4. Wait. Let's try to move this. V4 atau teleport mirage, teleport fort. Tas elite hunter not spawn. Atau Toshita, Indra not spawn. Atau prince. Atau Indra Haki. Let's open Indra Haki. Let's try to open it. Yes. And now all Haki had open the farm citizen, auto quiz citizen rather, auto fighting style, and also auto mastery all fighting style, Ringami bicolor Haki, and also auto Sidiki and auto soul guitar. It's working guys, auto Sidiki and auto soul guitar. It has the fruit, auto raid. Oh look that, I can buy fruit because I don't have money. Auto teleport, what island, also temple. Yes, and also teleport in temple. ESP can have a fruit notifier, fruit ESP. There is no fruit player. Yeah, there is a player here. What it says. Wait. So many chests there. Auto island. Yeah, also. Don't use this auto bounty, auto rainfruit, quick stat, because if you use this, your level will reset or else you will get banned. Fighting style, let's try fighting style. Auto black leg, yes. Fishman karate, yes. Auto ditch step, yes. Dragon talon, yes also. Kid human, it's working also. Sanguinard, yes, all are working. So ability, Taurus. I think that's all. can open, you can change marine and pirate here. Here's yes, top fruit shop. Wait, it's what is in stock? It's nothing. Titles, it's working. Hockey color, yeah, it's working also. I think that's all. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.